Thank you guys for tuning in today. I'm going to be showing you guys on how to do a skin fade, and we're also going to do a little work on the beard as well. So we're going to start with the 5-0, making sure that we're putting the guideline right underneath the corner area. This is a medium skin fade, so you guys want to make sure that this comes out crisp. Right now what we're doing is we're cleaning underneath the guideline that we did, making sure that it's nice and smooth so it can be nice and easy to pass the Andis Shaver. This Andis Shaver is a very good machine. It's a recommended machine. I suggest you guys get it. So what I'm doing here is I'm cleaning it very well, getting it as bald as I can, but also I'm leaving a 1/4 inch of hair underneath that guideline. So here I'm using the 0A, also known as the half guard. So I'm taking it up about an inch just so that I can have that space to blend the hair in between the 0 and the half guard. Then I'm grabbing my 000 and I'm blending that 0 guideline in between the half guideline with my 000. What I'm doing here is I am cleaning it out. I am not fully blending. I'm trying to clean it out so it can be easier for me to blend. So here I'm going to use my Oster Topaz. I'm going to start with the lever all the way up, which is the half guard. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm going to be playing with the lever, blending in from the half down to the 0, making sure that I blend and fade that as much as I can. As you're blending this, what's also going to help you blend this even more and get it to its full blend is by using your corners of your machine. So here I got my number 2. What I'm doing is I'm bringing all that bulk down, making it easier for me to blend the rest. I'm gonna be blending from top to bottom now. You guys are gonna start seeing how easy it's gonna blend in now. I'm working down with my number 1.5 guard. I am still cleaning it, getting it a lot cleaner now. Now I'm switching to my number 1A. Now I am blending. I am trying to get that line out. So I switched to the number 1 now. I am still trying to blend this line, trying to get it erased. I'm hitting it with the corners here, trying to blend in as much as I can. Also, if you guys are using another machine, you guys can do this same steps. So now I'm going in with my 0A, which is my half guard. Carefully I'm going in with the corners a little higher without creating another guideline. So right here I got my number 3 guard with the Oster Topaz. Right now what I'm doing is I am cleaning around the area of where I'm going to be placing his hard part, making sure there's no little hairs sticking out or anything that way. Now I'm going to grab my 2.5 guard just to make sure I didn't miss anything before. Then I'm grabbing my 1.5 guard. As you guys can see, yes, I am doing the same steps going down, but with a different machine. The reason why is because I want to make sure that his fade comes out the cleanest. I want to make sure I don't miss anything. So now here I got my GTX Andis Trimmer. I am doing his tape line, making sure that everything comes out nice and crisp. When you're doing the tape line, you want to make sure that you look at both his corners. Never go too high. Always keep it as natural as you can. So here I apply a little bit of rolled up shaving gel. Right now I am doing the outline. I'm making sure that when I pass the razor, I pull his skin firmly. Okay guys, pay attention to this little detail work I'm doing here. I am passing him Tresemme hairspray. What I'm about to do here is I'm about to make his hairline a little darker. I'm going to put a color enhancement. It's more like a fiber color enhancement. It's very awesome. The reason why I'm applying is because my client likes his tape to be a little dark, even though he does have light areas around the tape. I'm making sure that I apply it with some type of business card. You could do it with flyers. There's a specific thing for it, but you know, business card, you know, can work as well. As you guys can see, it's looking really natural. Now I'm placing the blow dry so that hair fiber can dry up with the hairspray on there. So the gel I'm using on my client is called Gummy Gel. It's an awesome gel. All my clients love it. I might drop a review on there, so make sure you guys tune in for that. Right now I'm just cleaning up the beard a little bit with scissors. Before I finish up, he likes his beard really nice and thick. So here's the final product. That's how it's looking. Hope you guys like it. Please make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.